Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you looking for a wireless, all-in-one high-performance ink tank printer with efficient printing cost? Then this printer could be a perfect solution. Its brother DCP T820DW, and today I'm going to unbox it. Country of origin of brother is Japan, and this printer is made by Philippine. Okay, now let's check what's inside the box. It can print up to 7,500 page in black and white, and up to 5,000 page in color print. So you will get all these accessories inside the box. Here is the printer. Build quality plus its design seems very good, and dimension is for 135 by 439 by 195 millimeter. This is refill tank, where you can refill the ink. And here is the document scanner that can scan up to 19,200 into 19,200 dpi. And here is ADF scanning option. It can print most of the paper size including A4, LTR, X, A5, A6 photo paper, index card, C5 envelope, DL envelope, Monarch, LGL, folio, and Indian legal. And here is the paper tray, which can be adjusted with legal size page. This is the power input to connect power cable. Here is USB and networking port for wired connection. This is the extra paper tray, where you can put 20-piece paper at a time. And here is the place to clear the paper, if the paper stuck or jammed. The total weight of this printer is 9.6 kg approx, and it looks very beautiful from every angle. So that's all about this Inkjet all-in-one printer. Hope you like it. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.